Recently, a video from a humanoid robot factory in China went viral. Some of the robots' actions are so similar to those of people that they appear remarkably lifelike. China has long been a global leader in all areas of technology, including virtual reality, robots, and artificial intelligence. This movie showcases the most recent advancements from the well-known Liaoning-based company exrobots. Exrobots has become well known for building robots that are identical to humans. They can serve in a variety of capacities in our society, including education, healthcare, and service, and their silicone skin is nearly identical to ours. Beautiful female robots are shown reading and imitating the actions of the women engaging with them in the viral video on the exrobots channel. 2,000 of these humanoids are reportedly already produced yearly by exrobots. Additionally, users can control the robots. They can utilize gloves to make hand gestures or an application to alter the robot's facial expressions. The robot can also create sad eyes, stick out its tongue, and show happiness or sadness. Without a doubt, the future we should aim for is the coexistence of humans and robots. The most cutting-edge robots of the last few years were on display at the Grand Robomech 2024 Expo. Let's look at one of the most intriguing displays for the time being, but we will undoubtedly create a separate movie about the show. This robot is made by Jinky Humanoid, a Japanese robotics company. The head, torso, and two arms of this steel humanoid robot protrude upward from a cabin that resembles the cab of an excavator. The robot is made to carry out maintenance tasks in a variety of areas, such fixing and replacing road signs or railway rails. It can take the position of a group of employees, which lowers the possibility of major workplace mishaps. Because it is controlled by a human, the robot can carry out its duties just as well as a human can lift and move heavy materials like steel pipes, plates, or cables. Inside the heavy machinery cabin, the Jinky Humanoid Robot basically imitates a real person's movements. The operator uses company-developed technology to accurately control the robot's arm movements while wearing special glasses that are connected to the robot's eyes, with assistance from OpenAI. The Norwegian startup 1X has unveiled a new film demonstrating the development of their EVE humanoid robots. The EVE robots have knee joints for squatting even though they don't have legs. On a specialized three-wheeled platform, the robots move about. They have specialized claws in place of hands that allow them to grasp and hold a variety of things, including tiny electronics like their own charging block. 1X inventors clarify that its robots are made to work in warehouses. They are trained to carry out jobs that don't require exact precision and can go across slopes and flat surfaces. The firm showed in the test film that EVE models can function both individually and collaboratively. The robots can walk between rooms, open doors, pick up stuff from the floor, sort goods into boxes, connect to charging stations, unhook the power cord, and put the item in its proper location once charging is finished. Viewers were reassured by 1X that all of EVE's actions in the film were carried out independently, without assistance from controllers. Without any post-recording changes or computer graphics, the film is played back at its original pace. The Japanese automaker Toyota, one of the acknowledged giants in the world of automobiles, has produced a fantastic police vehicle just for Chubu International Airport patrols. Its design alone conjures up images of sci-fi movies from Hollywood. Designed for one person, the Toyota iReel is composed of lightweight carbon fiber reinforced plastic. Instead of a steering wheel, the car has joystick controls on the armrests. In order to maneuver amid pedestrians, this three-wheeled personal transport vehicle may reduce its wheelbase. The wheelbase automatically increases when the vehicle is in high-speed mode, resulting in a lower center of gravity. Customers and the designers of the new model are both optimistic that the Toyota iReel will provide a more secure airport while also giving it a distinctive futuristic look. The long-forgotten robot Seiko, popularly referred to as the Rocky IV robot, recently made an appearance in public. International Robotics Incorporated created Seiko, which was first made available to the general public in the 1980s. The robot was a real technological advance at the time. Engineer Robert Dornick, the founder of International Robotics Incorporated, developed Seiko with the intention of using it as a friend and helper. The purpose of Seiko's development was to engage with individuals of all ages. He was capable of handling tiny objects, conversing, and performing music, among other things. Seiko also took part in a number of events and television programs in the 1980s, demonstrating the possibilities of robotics at the time. A robot that can solve Rubik's Cubes was on display in the special exhibition titled "What is a Robot?" The robot can solve a Rubik's Cube in less than a minute if a visitor interrupts it and hands it to it. This robot's ability to solve the puzzle quickly and accurately draws attention. Utilizing cutting-edge technologies, it evaluates the cube's starting state and automatically executes the series of actions required to solve it. It rotates the Rubik's Cube using a robotic arm after first inspecting each face separately. The cube's rotation motion is straightforward, but it's really amazing how quickly it can determine the quickest path to the answer. Nowadays, the textile industry uses specialized machinery to make clothes. They cut material into the proper shape, weave textiles, and stitch little portions of clothing. However, up until now, no machine could completely create a piece of clothing. Thus, Jonathan Zorno, a web developer from Seattle, has developed a sewing robot. A whole article of clothing can be sewn together by the Sobo robot. It can also make simple clothing, like t-shirts, using a sewing machine and pieces of material that have been chemically hardened. The purpose of this Sobo robot is to produce materials of superior quality at a low cost. Sobo is made up of a conventional sewing machine, a universal robotic arm, and a reusable thermoplastic solution. It features an ultrasonic welder that joins two hard-textured material panels. Sewing a shirt takes over 30 minutes. Although the actual sewing just takes a few minutes, there is a lot of measuring and correcting that must be done in between. ARX Infinity created the humanoid robot known as the ARX-7. It is a sophisticated model with a mechanical arm that integrates both wheeled and legged platforms. The robot is intended to carry out a variety of robotics-related tasks and can be utilized for both educational and recreational purposes. The ARX-7's wheeled base, which enables it to move across flat surfaces with ease, makes it stand out for its versatility and agility. The mechanical arm of the robot can conduct intricate and precise manipulations, which makes it helpful for jobs requiring great accuracy and for interacting with the surroundings. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. I'll see you later.